Hi, my fellow food explorers. Welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today we have got a mouth-watering treat for you. We are diving into the world of delicious and quick ground beef recipes for dinner. Let's get cooking. We are kicking things off with some classic ground beef recipes, perfect for those busy weekends. First up, it's our savory ground beef chili, the ultimate comfort food. Moving on to our family favorite, our ground beef pasta, creamy, cheesy, and oh so satisfying. And don't forget our quick and easy ground beef and rice, a complete meal in a minute. Crave something healthier? Check out this guilt-free ground beef recipe. Our ground beef and cabbage recipe is not healthy but also delicious. For our keto enthusiasts, here is a tasty ground beef keto recipe. And for a low-carb option, try our mouth-watering ground beef and potato dish. Let's explore the world of slow and cook wonders with ground beef crock-pot recipes. Dive into the rich flavor of slow-cooked ground beef. And here is a crock-pot ground beef casserole that is easy and it is tasty. Feeling creative? These ground beef casseroles will surely impress your taste buds. Explore our scrumptious ground beef casseroles. Let's take a culinary journey around the world with international ground beef dishes. Transport your taste bud to Mexico with our mouth-watering Mexican beef tacos. Let's now explore the intriguing flavors of Asia with these Asian-inspired ground beef recipes. Experience the savory delight of beef and broccoli stir fry, a fusion of flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. Dive into the aromatic world of the spicy beef, a spicy and fragrant dish that is a true taste of Thailand. That's a wrap on our easy ground beef recipe for dinner. Be sure to check out the full recipe on our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Until next time, happy cooking!